Everybody, we are representing the team Hacktivists, team number 98. These are the team members and their roles in the team. The problem statement we have chosen is mental health issue. Mental health issue, particularly mood disorders such as depression and anxiety, affects millions of people worldwide. Timely interventions can significantly improve outcomes. Yet, many individuals either do not have access to mental health professionals or are unable to recognize the warning signs of the downward mood spiral until it is too late. The solution we have found for this problem is that use data-driven machine learning models to track user inputs to predict future mood swings. The system can detect patterns and alert users before they experience a downturn, enabling early interventions. Technology stack: 4N, HTML, CSS, backend, Python, database, SQLite, machine learning, Skikit, deployment, IBM Z. Real-time mood prediction, proactive digital therapy, personalized user experience, data-driven mental health insight, AI-based therapy interaction. This is the flowchart. Now, I would want my friend Naman to explain the demo session. Thank you.
So hello guys, myself Naman here. So I will start the demo session now. So first we took the data set, which is a student mental health data set. This is the data set as follows. There are 5 features, and the last one is mental stability, which we are going to predict. Then for this, we have created a short index form of mental health tracker. Then next we have a dashboard which collects the user entries which we enter. Then we go towards the main Jupyter notebook, which uses the IBM Linux one. So here we first load the data set, then display all the first few rows. Then we check for some missing values, and if there are some, we handle it using one-hot encoding. Then we inspect the data and we fill all the missing pieces. Then we assume that mental health is the target call, which we have to predict. Then we split the training data into training and training sets. Then to build a model, we use the random forest classifier algorithm. We initialize the model, then we train the model on this data. Then we evaluate the model's accuracy, confusion matrix, and classification report. So we get the accuracy as 100%, confusion matrix as follows, and classification reports as follows. Then we use grid search CV to find out the best parameters. Then we use pair plot to visualize relations between features and mental health. And also we find out the correlation matrix between the feature correlations. So this is the visual relationship between features and the mental stability, and this is the correlation matrix. Then next we get the feature importance from trained random forest model. We create a data frame for visualization purposes, and this is the visualization. Then next we import grid search CV for hyperparameter tuning, and we train the grid search CV. We find out the best model, which is using best parameters. Then after we find out the best parameters, we evaluate the accuracy, confusion matrix, and classification report again. This is the best model. Then we also do 5-fold cross validation on the model. This is the best model. Then we print this cross validation scores, and we get the accuracy as 100%. Then the train model is saved to a file, and we load this model again to use later. Then we create a SQLite database to store the mental health data and all the parameters. Then we create a little bit of the data to use. This is the created data. Then next we use a test case scenario of what will happen when we take the inputs from the users. So there are ones represent yes and zeros represent no. So in this is the example one where the output we get is as unstable, and we suggest the user what remedies he has to take. And the second example is of a stable user, which obviously he doesn't have to do anything. He's all fit. Thank you.